Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss there, my people. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some people, my question is, how really are going on in the yard, my people? What is really going on in Jamaica? No, on a real level. Because me hear of incident before, you know, my people. Terrible, dreadful incident. But now, with this thing where them say, go on today, you know, my people, where the body of a youth was discovered, my people, in a Rose town. You understand? Youth who goes by the name Malik, my people. And when me see the picture, my people, in a hope my land, you understand, in the land like them dash garbage and look a thing over there, some people. You see me? And the youth over there. And me look pan him, my people. Me look pan him picture when him alive and well. You know what I mean? Like him go to a party or him, one of them when him under a tree as you can see the picture. And then my viewers and subscribers, me see a picture with somebody, a body in the open lot, pants down there, some people, hand them bound up to him head. You understand? Face lean sideways, but face you can't see face because the face peel off. No joke about it, my people. The face peel off. When me tell you peel off, right off, you see me? I just the teeth, them I see a kin and the face peel off. You know, like when I see zombie, and you see the teeth them, and you see the skull, and that me I look upon my people. And based on information when me I get, so the man them bust him up. Yeah, man, them beat up him back part certain way. I don't know what really there behind this, my people. But it must be some fishery thing I go on here, so that would lead to this, because whichever person or personal would have, I don't know, my people. But only thing me can say, Jaja sees, Jaja knows some terrible thing I go on in the yard, my people. When me look upon the picture, you understand, me say, punks, they done this so. You know what I mean? Man, them bust him up. You know what I mean? When you look upon the pants like he full of shit too. No joke, like a be shit done there. You see me? And the man them peel off in face. So I don't know if this youth did over that side there. The swim side, me don't know why them would have choose to just decide to deal with it. So, or I don't know if he was against that side and the fishes them looks like say, because anybody bust him up, them have to be about a fish, my people. No joke about it. If somebody deal with something, so. But all me can say, my people, them deal with them wicked. I never see nothing like this yet. Me say them peel, it like some exorcism thing, this. The man them turn him in a and I can't even do this, I can't even call them man. You know what I mean? The alien them turn him in a zombie, my people. And a fresh body all look pan, you know. Me know a lot of people are going to say NEWLINK, I want to see the picture, show with the thing. Look here, follow the Instagram. When me tell you this, a lot of people are follow. If you don't follow, you have to DM me after me accept the following. You look out back for me accept it. And then me DM, you understand? You have to do that. But without you do that, you understand, it don't make sense. You have to understand that. You see me? And then me can forward the thing to you. But it's a tough situation, my people. When I look at me see the thing, me never see nothing like that in my life. In my years of doing vlog, one of the most terrible and cruelest thing me ever see. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Me say, I never see nothing. Me never can talk too much about it. My people, big up on yourself. Remember to do a subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, TikTok, NEWLINK Production Official. Peace out. And remember, people, like the video them. The like them in is important. Share the video. Peace out. Blessings. Big up.